Hi all, the theme of the lesson is equations. To solve an equation, we need to figure out unknown value for x. First, we need to move -1 from the left side of equation to the right side. When we move a number from one side to other, we must change the sign before the number to opposite one. So minus we must change to plus. Now we need to read off from the 3. For this purpose we multiply the right side and the left side of equation to 1/3. At the left side I cancel 3 at denominator and 3 before the x, and I get x equals 3. Let's look at operations at this step once again. We can simply move 3 from the left side to denominator at the right side, and we get 9/3, and it is the same result. Now we can take the value for x and put it into initial equation. 3 times 3 it is 9, minus 1 it is 8, so we get correct value for x. Now consider another example. Here we have parentheses, so first we need to multiply 4 by this group. We get 4x plus 4. Move 4 to the right side and we must change plus to minus. 4 from the left side put as denominator to the right side. It is 2. Look at other way to solve this equation. We can straight move 4 to denominator of the right side. It is 12/4. And now move 1 to the right side. And we must change the sign before 1 to minus. And we get the same result. Now let's look at another example equation. Here we have fractions. First we need to get the same denominator for both fractions. In order to do this, I multiply the second fraction, denominator and numerator, by 2, and I get new fraction 4x over 6. As both denominators are the same, I write these fractions as one fraction. Here, before x, there is no coefficient, so we must take this coefficient as 1. 1x minus 4x, it is minus 3x. I can put this minus before fraction, or I can put minus before denominator. At such operations, fraction remains the same. I move minus 6 to the right side, and I get minus 6 times 1. 1 I cannot write here. 3 move as denominator to the right side, and minus 2 is solution for our equation. Let's consider another way to solve the equation. I can divide or multiply each term of the equation by one number. In order to read off denominators, I multiply each term of the equation by minus 6. For the first fraction, 6 and 6 being cancelled out, I get minus x. For the second fraction, I divide 6 by 3 and I get 2. Minus times minus, it is plus, and 2 times 2, it is 4. And at the right side I get minus 6. Before x I must take 1 as coefficient. 4 minus 1, I get 3. Move 3 as denominator to the right side, and I get minus 2. That is all for today. If you like my tutorial, you can subscribe at my channel. Bye bye.